Window Designer is an easy-to-use tool to help you quickly process quotes and orders yourself and get instant prices. This video shows how you can quote bifold doors fast. Click the new quote icon, select the material from the material list pop-up, fill in your customer details and click OK. Select New Frame, choose the right door style, then input information required in the highlighted boxes. Input the width and height, then select the sill option. Click on the door image to select your handle. Then select Wall View to see your quote. It's as easy as that, and it took only about 30 seconds from start to finish.